Yes.
Mazi, you'll be out. Mazi, it's strong. Let's see.
Nothing we will not go see for this country. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't fire all of his lawyers, so say he no want them again. Say then they spoil in case. Now so he stand by himself in front of Honorable Justice. Say, my lord, I am the lawyer and at the same time I be the defendant. Oh, more no be smart. This man is sound intelligent. I beg you, making I watch the video.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I said earlier, bail is a decision of the court, taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determine the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June, my lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here.
Lawyers in the house, I beg you, making a comment. Is it true or is it possible for a defendant to represent his or herself in a court of law, especially in this our country called Nigeria?
To try me is committing an act of terrorism. Yes. Very clear. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person is not done anywhere in the world. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays. That is what Supreme Court said. I did not jump bail. My home was invaded and I survived. They came to brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial is not done anywhere in the world. And what happened in my case?